Right now at noon, the hot car death of a 1-year-old in Gwinnett County is fueling a push for a new federal law. This is after the mother has been charged with murder. I'm Brooks Baptiste.
And I'm Chelsea Bime for Atlanta News First. Niamani Watson is live at the Gwinnett County Courthouse for us. Niamani, this tragic accident, according to the mother's attorney, he says she should not be criminalized.
Yeah, that's right. The mother's attorney says she was severely sleep deprived while taking care of 3 young children. He's pushing for a bill that would make in-car sensors mandatory, as well as legal reform. Now, Lawrenceville police say 29-year-old Deja Coleman left her 1-year-old son in a hot car outside Northside Hospital, Gwinnett, for 9 hours. Investigators say she forgot the infant was in the back seat after dropping her 2 older children off at daycare before work. Her attorney, Tom Ford, says Coleman had barely gotten any sleep for days because the baby was teething, leaving her functioning in a severe state of exhaustion. He says auto manufacturers can do more to help prevent hot car deaths. While backseat sensor technology already exists, Ford wants Congress to make it mandatory in all new vehicles. At the same time, Ford is pushing prosecutors to drop the second-degree murder charge and look at involuntary manslaughter with probation.
It's easy to assume there must be some reason other than the sleep deprivation. There's not any other reason other than being tired. We don't lock people up because they're tired. So unless you know the science, know what you're talking about before you blame her with callous disregard.
Coleman remains behind bars without bond. Her next court hearing is set for August 11th. We did reach out to the Gwinnett County District Attorney's Office for comment. They said they could not comment since this is an open case. Reporting live in Gwinnett County, I'm Niamani Watson, Atlanta News First.
Niamani, thank you. And it is important to note that kids' bodies heat up 3 to 5 times faster than adults, and they fail to cool down efficiently. That's according to health experts. So experts say never leave a child unattended in a car for any length of time. Even if the vehicle is parked in the shade or perhaps the windows are rolled down, you want to make it a habit to check your entire car, especially the back seat, before locking doors and walking away.